Hi, I'm Kirsty, Creative Director and owner of Social Ocean. This is a really challenging time for all of us, but I wanted to let you know that we're still operating and supporting our clients. In the spirit of the Stay Home movement, we've transformed our face-to-face workshops and transitioned to an online platform. This is to ensure that we're doing our part to protect the health and safety of our clients, while still being able to deliver the same level of service they've come to rely on us for. We're now recording and providing customers with video training from our office. Our workshop table has found a new addition with a milk crate, and we've used cupboards and transformed them into moving whiteboards. Also, we can continue to support you, our clients. To our clients who are experiencing a downturn themselves, we are here to support you and help you to polish up on your skills to come out on the other side stronger and with more confidence to regrow your business. I want to give you a heartfelt thank you for your support of Social Ocean during this time. And if there is any way that myself or my team can be of assistance to you, please do not hesitate to get in touch.